Greetings, Commodores. This is Mrs. Broom with your instructions on how to create a table in Google Docs. First, you got to open up the apps. Then you got to click on New. Let it load. Come on, you can do it, little buddy. You can do it. You can load. All right, we're still waiting for the Zoom. There we go. Create blank document. Let it open up. Come on, little buddy, you can do it. And we're still waiting. Yay, okay. We're going to come on over here to the top menu bar and we're going to click Insert. And then we're going to say Insert a Table. And we want to insert a 3x3 table for our activity. And we want to type at the top, sounds like, looks like, and feels like. We're going to come on over, highlight all three with our cursor, and then we're going to bold it. And then come on down to the last row there and add one more row so that you can write at least 3 details about what Odysseus sees, that was the sound column, what Odysseus hears, what Odysseus sees, and what Odysseus feels in the land of the dead. Okay, so you're going to put that information in there with line numbers. And that's how you make a table in Google Docs. Happy table making. Have a great day.